Good day. Today I am going to present a paper on challenges faced by the domestic female paid care workers during this pandemic situation. Myself, Dr. M.S. Geeta, guest faculty, Department of Economics, St. Joseph College. In the abstract itself, explained about the paper. The domestic female paid care workers are fired out of their work when the coronavirus gets into our nation. And this paper concentrates on the challenges faced by the domestic female paid care workers and how it has affected the life of these people in the Bangalore city, where the more than 55% of the daily households reduced in the city during this pandemic situation. So the research area selected here is in and around the Bangalore city, apartments and the layouts. And the introduction, the introductory part as explaining the GDP of India's GDP growth as estimated that is going to be reduced by 11.8% in 2020-21. So the economy needs a revival approach. But while doing this revival approach, the inequality already done should be avoided for the care economy. And it should first identify among the care economy, it should identify the care workers in India. So what is this care workers? Who is this care workers? The International Labour Organization defines the care workers include a wide range of workers from professors, doctors to personal care workers. These care workers also include the domestic workers, the domestic paid care workers we can say. Okay, so in this introduction, it is explaining that domestic workers in India has faced a lot of multiple issues after this pandemic, after this lockdown, during the lockdown, after the lockdown, and during this pandemic situation. So they cannot stop working. Their families have to survive with this income, so they have to work. This domestic workers under the care workers section are essential for the society and the economy, but the employers who needs this people, without them their work cannot be proceed, but they are not giving equal rights or equality to the domestic workers. So this domestic workers are facing lot of challenges during this pandemic situation. So this paper is going to concentrate on the domestic care workers challenges during this COVID era. Objective of the study is it is going to explain the challenges faced by the domestic female paid care workers during the pandemic situation, and it is going to analyze how these challenging factors are affecting the life of this domestic female paid care workers. Methodology: the primary data is collected from 100 female paid care workers through the interview method, and secondary data from the journals, websites, etc. Research design: that 100 primary data is going to be analyzed through the chi-square method, and especially the data collected from the flats and layouts of the Bangalore city. The limitation: it is having two limitation. One is the challenges faced by the care workers during this pandemic situation has been notified in this paper, but before the pandemic situation, what was the challenges faced by them as not at all explained. And the second limitation is this: domestic paid care workers are concentrated only on the domestic female paid care workers and neglected the other informal sector employees. That is, domestic workers come under the informal sector, but other informal sector employees and all neglected by this researcher. Here, the overview of the domestic female care workers, that is, the staying well and work is the common goal of these people. But this COVID-19, they are not afraid, because if they are afraid means they will not get food. If they go for work only, they will get food. So this is the situation. Among the 78.4% of urban women workers in the informal economy, 9.4% are the domestic workers, and they are the huge contributor to the India's GDP. But the government also neglecting them during the crisis. Seva. Seva means the self-employed women's association. They are the supporters of this domestic paid care workers during this situation. The emotional support was given for them during this pandemic situation. Even they are connecting the domestic workers to the healthcare workers if they needed, and even they are giving some emotional support, and the employers sometimes the employers also giving problem. So that and all addressed by the Seva, and taking steps to solve this problem for the domestic workers. Challenges faced by this domestic female paid care workers during this pandemic situation. Employers no longer want the domestic workers in their house. That is, after the corona gets into our nation, the employers need the domestic workers, but they don't want to stay for a long time, because the employers are thinking these domestic workers are the spreaders, disease spreaders. So their job nature converted from full time to the part time. From the case study, the 4 domestic workers case study as given in this paper. First domestic worker states that after lockdown she was thrown away from the job and searching for new job now. The second domestic worker states that after lockdown who are working own means of transportation can come for job. So by that she also losing her job. And the third worker states that hands and feet are itching because of the different sanitizer from different houses. The fourth domestic worker states that no conveyance charges. That is, before they told they will pay the conveyance charge, but after 1 or 2 months they are not paying the conveyance charge. If you want a job, we will pay salary. You can take it from your own money and come for the job. Otherwise, you cannot. Otherwise, you don't want to come for job. Employers also become not empathetic. They are not giving even water for the domestic workers. So these are the situations of the domestic workers from the case study we understand. Now the primary data analysis. Already I mentioned randomly the study area selected. 100 samples collected from various domestic female paid care workers in the Bangalore city. From the primary data results and discussion, 66% of the workers states that they are highly affected with this challenging factors, and 34 of them states that moderately affected. So the challenging factors are income loss, job loss, and health loss. From this, 59% states income loss, and 27% states job loss, and finally 14% states health loss. So the primary data explains domestic female paid care workers have income loss is much more than any other loss. So the statistical analysis through the chi-square test, null hypothesis states that there is no association between challenging factors and the worker's life. But the alternative hypothesis states there is association between the challenging factors and the life of the domestic female paid care workers. Here the chi-square test for challenging factors states that calculated value is 15.132, which is higher than the table value, that is significant level 5% and 1%. It is stated calculated value is greater than that. So the calculated value is greater than the table value. So the hypothesis, null hypothesis is rejected, and alternative hypothesis accepted. So there is a greater association between the challenging factors and the life of domestic female paid care workers affecting during the pandemic situation, and the statistical analysis states highly affecting the life of female care workers. Conclusion states that many of them lost their jobs, and financial problems are there, and fear of health problem also. Several people are changing their jobs because of job loss. They are converted them to the urban employment guarantee schemes. Suggestions. The government should give some upliftment programs or schemes to this, especially to the domestic female paid care workers. And though the government is giving some, that is employer, in informal sector, government is giving some schemes, but for the domestic workers also should give, and the separate associations are there, they have to take care of them. The employers, especially the some individual associations are there for the employers, they should take care of the domestic workers. By this I'll stop. Thank you.